are on a timeline, how you can change your future, how you can actually learn so much about the depth of who you are in relationship to time, so that you begin to have the opportunity to become able to shape outcomes, change moments, situations that you're in where you could be on the brink of something very, very dangerous and unpleasant, or on the brink of something really wonderful, and maybe you're scared to walk across that portal. When you know that everything is energy, you become the kaleidoscope. This, for me, is the image of how I feel when I am in my birthright bliss. And I want to just share this little funny thought with you, because if you're here, you're sitting here, or you're watching this on a replay at home, and I hope you are if you upgraded to VIP, you're in a physical body. Your physical body became possible through a moment of bliss. Your father, at least one person, had an active moment of bliss for you to be here now. Now, women can conceive without having that fabulous moment of bliss, but that's a necessary component for the forming of a human body. You've got to have the male contribution. That's one of the ways that we can get caught in the yes-no field, when the flow of birthright bliss was a yes from your father, but maybe it was a no from your mother. Maybe she wasn't having that full-on bliss through her entire body, sometimes known as orgasm. So when you move into your birthright bliss and you listen, other questions arise. There are 9 of them. I'm not going to share all of them today, but you'll learn them all when you come to work with me. But we do begin to ask who, where, what, how, when. And again, it's about listening with full body presence. And then being open with full body presence to have your asking bringing you the information that you receive and can receive at every level and every nook and cranny of who you are. It's an extraordinary moment. And these moments come more and more often, and they reshape your life. So are you ready to quit being a waitress or a bartender at your local family-owned and operated taker cafe? Because that's what you've got if you are in the Salles system. That's where you are. And if you've got a jealous mother or an absent father, you are living a life as a waitress or a bartender at a locally family-owned operator taker cafe, where the energy that should be your natural bliss birthright is no longer yours. It's being stolen from you, along with time and the money that comes when you have your full energy from your birthright bliss. So what if today is your moment to make a decision, this decision? And what happens if you, for whatever reason, don't put the 9 EQ method off and aside and onto a shelf? What if you take it up right now while I'm here to offer it to you? That's what you move into, and it happens really fast. And regeneration, including the entire regeneration of what you think of it and consider as your DNA coding, is possible to regenerate it. I've regenerated stem cells with energy coming from my hands, and this has been medically validated. So who wouldn't want to feel birthright bliss? And how does birthright bliss feel as you use energy precision to complete the creative open energy circuits that form your life purpose through line of your birthright bliss? This transmute doubt and fear of the known and the unknown alike. And it silences what I call deadlight mind chatter, because the mind is meant to serve your birthright bliss. It's not meant to control it. The mind is meant to serve and to take care of the functional details that are part of form. So your unique superpower flows are precious, and I would love to teach you how to protect them.